Chaos is not creative, it's unsustainable. Chaos has been romanticized as creativity. We've been taught that disorder means depth, that volatility means passion, that suffering is proof something real is happening, but it isn't. Chaos feels creative because it's stimulating. It floods the nervous system with sensation, urgency, emotion, intensity. But stimulation, it's not creation. Chaos, chaos doesn't produce clarity. It produces output followed by collapse. Many creatives mistake this cycle for genius. Bursts, exhaustion, recovery, repeat. It's just a cycle. And it's not creativity. That's a stressed system chasing relief. But here's the quiet truth. Chaos is not expansive. It's expensive. It costs energy, coherence, trust, especially self-trust. When chaos runs the process, ideas fragment, projects stall, momentum becomes highly unpredictable. Not because you're incapable, but because your system, your nervous system, is constantly re-regulating itself. Real creativity doesn't need chaos. It needs enough stability to stay present. The most durable creators aren't dramatic, they're precise. They don't create from urgency, they create from contact. And contact requires regulation. This is the part few people want to hear. If you believe chaos is necessary, calm will feel threatening because calm removes adrenaline and with it, the illusion of progress. But when chaos settles, something else appears. Discernment, choice, direction, true alignment, authenticity. That's when creativity deepens instead of spikes. This channel isn't about suppressing intensity, it's about housing it, containing it. Because when intensity is contained, it stops burning you and it starts serving the work. Yes, chaos feels alive, but stability is what lets creation continue.